Hello, I'm Sudhi Shukla. You are watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with latest updates. On the occasion of Agriculture Education Day, Krishi Jagran is organizing a webinar on the topic of importance of agriculture education for all. The main objective of Agriculture Education Day is to expose everyone to various aspects of agriculture and its significance in the country, growth and development.
शिक्षा दिवस एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण दिवस है जिस पर हम कोशिश करते हैं कि कृषि शिक्षा के प्रति ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारा युवा वर्ग आकर्षित हो और कृषि शिक्षा को अपने चॉइस के हिसाब से लोग अपनाएं, जो हमारे बच्चे हैं, युवा पीढ़ी के बच्चे हैं। और इसमें अगर मैं बात करूं आत्मनिर्भर भारत की, जो हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का एक बहुत बड़ा मिशन है, उसमें कृषि बहुत महत्वपूर्ण योगदान देती है और कृषि में महत्वपूर्ण योगदान हमारे कृषि शिक्षा से आता है। तो इस दिवस पर जो कि हमारे प्रथम राष्ट्रपति थे डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी और बहुत अच्छे एक शिक्षाविद थे, उनके इस जन्मदिन पर मैं सभी से ये निवेदन करूँगा और ये एक संदेश देना चाहूँगा कि कृषि शिक्षा एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी हमारे युवा वर्ग के लिए हो सकती है और इसको अपनाने के लिए बच्चों को प्रेरित करें।
सिक्योरिटी बहुत ज़रूरी है किसी भी कंट्री के लिए और फूड सिक्योरिटी के लिए जो भी आगे आने वाली टाइम में, क्योंकि पॉपुलेशन 1/3 बढ़ेगी तो 2050 तक हमें 70% मोर फूड और चाहिएगा। तो जो ट्रेडिशनल एग्रीकल्चर है उसमें हमें बदलाव लाने पड़ेंगे, ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग कुछ करना पड़ेगा। ये जितनी भी हमारी स्मार्ट एग्रीकल्चर में, प्रिसीजन एग्रीकल्चर में आती हैं तो वो हमें अपनानी पड़ेंगी। वर्टिकल फार्मिंग, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और ऑटोमेटिक यूज ऑफ ड्रोन्स, दिस टाइप ऑफ techniques we have to use in agriculture so that we can increase the productivity and also to increase the income of the farmers.
FAI Annual Seminar 2021 has been organized by Alpcod Network Events and Conference Management Company Private Limited in hybrid mode. It is dedicated to all the theme challenges in fertilizer and agriculture. On this note, Krishi Jagran interacted with R.K. Pandey, General Manager and Production and Environment and Safety of IFFCO.
This IFFCO Paradeep is the mixed fertilizer unit. Yes, this makes DAP and NPK fertilizer. Actually 50 kg of urea or 50 kg of nano is equivalent to 50 ml bottle, which you liquid bottle, which you can carry in a pocket also. And this is this mixed with water and then sprayed from the top, maybe this from this camera, the flying camera, drone. And the specialty of this urea, number one, this is portable, 50 kg bag and 50 ml bottle. Yes, another thing, this urea or DAP takes subsidy from the government. Yes, and so government is also having revenue load of the budget.
UPIL has launched the Gigaton Challenge in open collaboration with FIFA Foundation in Santiago, Chile. The event has been a huge success with an esteemed panel of experts: Mauricio Macri, chairman of FIFA Foundation; Vikram Shroff, director of UPIL; Yuri Dozerkaf, CEO of FIFA Foundation, who has discussed how the initiative will create new carbon credits to incentivize and support farmers for adopting sustainable and regenerative practices. IFFCO, in association with Wow Go Green, becomes first co-op to launch its first agriculture drone training program. Dr. U.S. Avasi, Managing Director of IFFCO, who inaugurates the program and wrote on social media that is a highly appreciable step taken by Marketing Director for initiating this innovative training program of Krishi drone called Krishi Viman. It will directly benefit our farmers for agriculture use. Best AgroLife Limited has been granted a registration for indigenous manufacturing of tebuconazole 50% and trifloxystrobin 25% WG Vital combination of trifloxystrobin by Central Insecticide Board and Registration Committee. Vimal Alawadi, Managing Director of BAL, reveals that the company is working on some other even better novel and proprietary combination of trifloxystrobin. Adama opens the world's first OD formulated herbicide factory. The factory is exclusively dedicated to the production of herbicide with TOV technology and formulation OD. Begins operating with the production of the first TOV herbicide. Shival Ana Cola, director of operations of Adama Brazil, said this innovation formulation combined with the exclusive combination of active ingredients has demonstrated high efficiency in the management of weeds in the main producing regions, raising the level of control for the producer. Bayer Crop Science Limited has conducted its first drone trial at its multi-crop breeding center in Chandappa near Hyderabad. Sharing a message on the occasion, Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar said, "I am really happy to learn that Bayer is organizing a pilot project on the use of drone in agriculture." Kochi-based ICAR Central Institute of Fisheries Technologies has been awarded a project on future refrigeration in India for leading the fuel transition in seafood sector. The project named Indi Plus aims to promote CO2-based refrigeration and heating system and phase out the current refrigerants with natural, clean and safe refrigerants. For more such updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.